No, kasi kahana. Cancel. Cancel kasi
You will
pin
make
mo.
the announcement.
Okay.
Well, message.
Ah, Wal,
Is that work?
babak
Yes,
lala
it's
cancel.
here, so,
Yeah,
you know,
maybe. Yeah,
Masih kaya kami kanta.
Oh, maybe we do
Lagi
this.
kita shoot na do.
yeah, it's best if you guys do it. this
All right.
way.
Yeah.
Right. Nakapit sila, filan lang. You can go ahead.
So, you talking enough?
Hold on a second. Okay, yes, we're live. What? I'm
Good. How you doing, folks? This is Paul and Pete. We are at the Killeen complex, and we just finished talking to the city folks, and we're sad to say that the Island Warrior tournament event has to be canceled this year because of the rain, and we apologize. We had tried to come up with a backup plan, but that fell through as well. So we'd like to show our appreciation for everybody that showed up, that came through, and especially people that came from out of states. We know it's a difficult journey, but we're very appreciative of your efforts and the show of support for this cause. And we would also like to ask that you do not stop helping us with this cause. And we especially thank the people from Kent and Mr. Bangalina and Inlet for showing up as well, and Mr. Willie to represent Kent. It's a dalawin hindi agad. But all the refunds we've posted online will be refunded as requested. If you sent your refund request to $ Island Warriors, that's the cash app that we're doing our refunds through. Again, we're so very sorry that it turned out this way, and hope that you all come back again on our next one. Pete, do you have anything to say?
Hey, the only thing I gotta say is like, thank everybody for your support. Like, I mean, we've been doing this event for 5 years, and like we are getting better at it. We are doing our best. We know we're not perfect, but we'll do anything for the families of our fallen, and we'll continue to do it as long as we can. Thank you.
Malapit that. Thank you. It's an honor to have our Consulate General and also our COFA advocacy leaders with us today. So without further ado, I'm going to start with Mr. Enlet to help us out. So greeting.
Hello, everyone. I bring you warm greetings from your Consulate General office in Portland, Oregon. We are here to show our support to this cause and this event, and also especially to the families of the fallen warriors or soldiers from our beloved Micronesian islands. As you know, our FSM government recognizes and honors all of those sons and daughters of our country who have paid the price for freedom. And we also are here to show that support, continual support. We're also here to let you all know that our offices, our consulates, and our embassy in DC are here for you. We're here to extend services as best as we can. So please do reach out to us if you have any needs or concerns that we may be able to help. But I want to conclude by thanking you all and thanking the leadership here and the incredible work that they do year in and year out, especially those organizers of this event. It goes a long way to show how we value what this event stands for. So thank you again. It is so tapur.
It's a chopper, Mr. Enlet. We also have here our COFA leader, Mr. Mike Pangilinan from Arizona, where it never rains.
Well, hi, everybody. Mike Pangilinan from the COFA Community Leadership and Advocacy Network. I'm here representing that group. So on behalf of a lot of your COFA advocates throughout the country, definitely an honor to be here. Really excited to see all the people here and this, and want to congratulate the committee for. I know how hard it is to put tournaments together. I do one in Arizona myself, so just getting here is a tough challenge, and they've successfully done this for 5 years now. The weather didn't cooperate this time around, but that's just one aspect of the tournament. It's definitely coming out here to show the support for the men and women from back home that are in the service and those that have fallen. Just paying respect and just being here is again just an honor for me. I want to thank everybody here. Look forward to coming back next year and continuing to support this tournament. So greetings to everybody. We'll be around. Hopefully we'll get to meet the rest of the people that are here. But again, you're just an honor to be here and thankful to be here.
Thank you, Brother Pangilinan. And we have here Raleigh, came all the way from DC to join us. He can also speak Kushayan. So, he got Kushayan.
Lenro, also like to join CG Enlet and also Mike. Express our appreciation for being able to be here, and also want to convey Ambassador Susaya and Deputy Chief of Missions Jackson Sorum's appreciation, and also to acknowledge and honor those that have paid the ultimate sacrifice, and that we're able to continue to enjoy the freedom and privileges that we have here. Just want to thank the event organizers and also the teams, and hope to see you folks later on this evening. Thank you.
Hey, thank you very much. And I want to show you the field so you guys know what we're up against today. As you can see, the water, the mud, and all that. This is not safe for our athletes. So this is for us to humble ourselves and accept what nature provides us today. All right. Thank you very much, everybody. Lamalap. All right. So let me turn it off.